Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. I will be reviewing a headband wig, doing a try on and unboxing. I purchased this wig from Amazon for about $40, which is around 6,200 Jamaican dollars. Now let's see what's inside. This is quite the hot girl package. It includes a headband wig, a wig cap, a pair of volume lashes, and some press-on nail tabs. So let's get into the wig. It is 100% unprocessed 10A Brazilian human hair. The curl pattern is deep wave. It's 16 inches, 150 density, and it's in the color black. The cap size is 21.5 to 22.5 inches. In order to secure this wig, you have the option of using the Velcro at the back, 4 combs, and the adjustable straps. Okay, so it's time to try on. I'm using my own wig cap. The wig cap that did come with this set, one, I couldn't find it. Two, I don't like wig caps with the little holes. I prefer when they're like fully covered. This is my first headband wig. I'm not a wig person. I'm not a wiggy or a wigist. But I must say it was very easy to, put this on and maneuver it and everything. I've had this wig now for about 2 months. Okay, so I secured this wig by using only the comb in the back and the Velcro. I don't use the adjustable straps, nor do I use any other comb in the wig, just the comb at the back and the Velcro. Overall, I think this wig was a great buy. It is affordable and inexpensive to maintain. It's convenient. I can just throw it on and go. Plus, it's beginner friendly. No glue, no lace. I did shampoo and condition this wig, then I used mousse to define the curls. Pulling the headband forward, then sliding it back and folding it in half actually does make the wig look a lot more natural. And that's it. This was super easy and simple to install. To finish off the look, I decided to add this white headband. Now I'm using just a tiny amount of edge control to smooth out my edges. So obviously I'm feeling myself way too much. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. All the information on this wig will be listed down in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Blessings.